There, boys and girls, and welcome to the Anna Art Central. It's the Association of Negros Artists Art Gallery here in the compound of Food Central. So care to visit us when you're in Bacolod. This is the newest artistic hangout place, and we're so proud that this place is virtually, practically made from scratch because this place, the title of our exhibition is Groundwork, and this is dedicated to all the artists who were present and got their hands dirty. Groundwork features the artists who were here from the very beginning, who laid the groundwork.
I am really impressed with people who put their passion into action. Because in our world today, there are so many of us who only dream, but we are afraid to execute our dreams. We oftentimes speak, but we only speak and speak, but there are no actions to support what we say. And so ako I'm always a results-oriented person. Kung artist ka, diin ang imo art. Because art is meant to be shared. It's meant to be shared. Palakpakan ta ang tanan.
Yay!
Bless us, O Lord, and these thy gifts which we are about to receive from your goodness. Christ our Lord. Amen.
Amen. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you like this, and it is still a work in progress. So all the artists are welcome to contribute whatever they can, be it a piece of artwork, be it service, some even donated plants, food. So please visit us one of these days and we'd be happy to give you a tour. This is Joan of Art, really Joan of Art this time, because I'm showing you around, showing you all the artworks that are in here. Until our next video and more art also, this is Joan of Art. See you. Bye-bye for now.